Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Datadog agent on your VPS easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, connect to your VPS using SSH. Make sure you have administrator privileges on the server. Update your package list to ensure you have the latest information. Use the command sudo apt-get update. Next, install the Datadog agent. You can do this by running the command sudo apt-get install Datadog agent. Once the installation is complete, you need to configure the agent. Open the Datadog configuration file using a text editor. You can use the command sudo nano /etc/datadog agent /datadog.yaml. In the configuration file, locate the API key section. You will need to insert your Datadog API key here. You can find this key in your Datadog account settings. After adding the API key, save and exit the text editor. Now, start the Datadog agent service. Run the command sudo system start Datadog agent. To ensure the agent starts on boot, enable the service with sudo system enable Datadog agent. To check if Datadog agent is running, use the command sudo system status Datadog agent. If everything is running smoothly, you should see active status. Next, verify that the agent is reporting data to your Datadog dashboard. Log into your Datadog account and navigate to the infrastructure section. You should see your VPS listed with basic metrics. If it's not showing up, double-check your API key in configuration settings. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled the Datadog agent on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.